What's up, guys? Today we're playing some Team Fortress 2, but it's gonna be different. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while, and this is probably gonna be my first video in 6 months. I'm joking, hopefully. And I'm gonna be starting a brand new series called Tips and Tricks for Team Fortress 2 Classes. And it's basically going to be a series of all the different classes, how to play and counter different other classes. For example, I just countered that sniper. Let's get started with tip number 1. Tip number 1, your M2 button. It releases a huge blast of air that can reflect explosives and people, like a charging demonite or troller that just comes up in your face and gets all personal. And then,
we have dropped the enemy intelligence.
there's also different weapons that the Pyro can use to counter different classes. Like the scorch shot, or the flare gun, which after igniting enemy, you can crit them if you hit a successful shot, which is pretty cool. And actually, I'm just gonna name this series Team Fortress 2 because it may be more about tips and tricks and also different weapons. So tip number 2, you can also extinguish your teammates with your air blast. This can regenerate 20 health, which is also really good in defensive plays. There's also one of your melees called the home wrecker. This home wrecker can protect but it can basically protect your allies' sentries.
We have taken the enemy
and you can destroy sappers and not repair the sentry, but you can get rid of the enemies by sappers, which is also pretty cool. And
the enemy has taken our intelligence.
The scout just grabbed her inside, might as well stop it. Scorch shot, I think people are pretty annoyed by, and people think it's really annoying, but I don't really mind it.
Need a sentry here.
If you really want to be a bitch, you can just spam this at the enemy's entrance and just
the enemy has dropped our intelligence.
You can also I forgot, man. But like, you can also really do some cool stuff. You can also use the detonator to detonate a jump, which is basically rocket jumping, but you have to time it very perfectly. Now, there's also a thing about the air blast that has a very specific hitbox, so you don't hit it correctly, the air blast doesn't even register. Now this hitbox can get really annoying at times because then when I'm charging at you and it make it seem like you air blast them, but the game registers it as you didn't. So that's a thing to watch out for, and like that's basically all the tips I have right now. if you want to learn more about Pyro and all the weapons he
The enemy has
has
secured our
in
intelligence.
their inventory, you can watch my other video about my weapon tiers. Alright. This is Arsenal Studios, signing out for now. Bye.